You can earn over $100, over $300, and even over $600 in a day with 5 legit apps to make money watching YouTube videos, which is one of the best ways to make money online because you can easily earn over $800 watching videos. So like this video, and let's start with the first app, which is called Instac. Regular people like me and you withdraw over $100 a day, over $500 a day, and even $600 a day and you can do it too. Instac is available worldwide, and you can use it from any part of the world. So you can be from the United States, Canada, UK, India, Nigeria, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Ethiopia, South Africa, or any part of the world. And you can still earn money with this website app. But for our future videos, comment down below your country name so that I can create more videos for you in the future. instagc is here since 2011, and they are here for more than a decade. This shows that this is one of the legit apps to make money online watching videos. As you can see, Instac is a website app where you can earn points for doing things you already do online, such as completing surveys, watching videos, shopping online, and searching the web. But today we will focus on making money watching videos and watching videos feature on. Instac also has embedded YouTube videos in this offer, so you can enjoy your favorite creators and also make money watching them. So just sign up yourself from here and log to your account. Once you log in, you need to go to the Earn section and select the Watch Videos option. There you can watch different YouTube videos and make money online watching them. The only drawback of this website app is that here you get paid only through different gift cards, like Airbnb gift cards, Amazon gift cards, etc. And before we move further to our second app, where you can withdraw your earnings through PayPal or directly to your bank account, using Wise Transfer or Skrill, I want to introduce you to the Affiliate Top. Affiliate Top is an affiliate program where you can collect all your profit from trading platforms in one place. But don't worry, you don't need to invest anything here. Rather, you will be promoting those trading platforms through your affiliate link, and you can earn hundreds of thousands of dollars every month on Affiliate Top. I will leave a link to the Affiliate Top in the description of this video. You can click that link and register yourself by clicking the sign up button. Enter your email, create a strong password, check this box, and just click where it says sign up once you log in into your account. This is how your dashboard will look like. As you can see here, you can find the Binomo affiliate program. Binomo is an outstanding trading platform suitable for both experienced traders and beginners alike. You can refer traders to Binomo, and you can earn thousands of dollars per month by just referring traders to Binomo. As a Binomo affiliate, you can earn money in mainly 2 ways. The first one is turnover share, providing you with a 5% commission from the monthly trading revenue your traders. For example, if you refer 10 traders to Binomo and their traded value is over $10,000 each month, you will get over $650 commission every month for just referring them once. The second one is revenue share, allowing you to earn 70% commission of the platform's profit from each trader you refer to Binomo. For example, if the Binomo earns over $1,000 profit each month from the traders you referred, you will get over $700 commission every month for just referring them once to Binomo. But there are not only 2 ways to make money. You can earn a CPA commission as well. That means they will pay you a fixed amount of commission per customer you refer. You'll have access to their exclusive CPI and CPL offers, which will be available by agreement with the. You just need to send a message to your manager via email or Telegram, and you can earn CPA plus revenue share hybrids, but it depends on the source of traffic and the quality of conversions. If you don't have the right traffic source, then you can refer webmasters through your referral link who creates content about trading, and you can earn 5% of the commission they earn. It's a flexible system. You can promote both of these plans and earn a decent amount of money every single month. You just need to click this affiliate link button, and the link will be copied to your clipboard. The more traffic you attract, the more money you can make. And the good thing is that you can withdraw your earnings every week, and you can earn these different payment methods to withdraw it. There are both the crypto payment methods and the bank transfer payment methods available here. You'll have close communication with your personal manager, who will be able to help you at all stages of work. You have detailed statistics which you can view on your dashboard or via Telegram bot. And the best part is you can earn money on Affiliate Top from anywhere in the world. So click the first link in the description of this video and start to earn money online. So now, the second app on our list is called superpayme. Superpayme is a get-paid-to website app where you can make money by completing quick surveys, offers, and trials, and also by playing games, watching videos, and much more. And you can easily earn $50 per day on superpayme. This app is whole since 2012 and has already spent over a decade online. As you can see, superpayme has over 4-star ratings on Trustpilot received from over 3,500 users, and it is one of the verified apps on Trustpilot. This shows that superpayme is one of the legit apps to make money online, and you can see that users are able to withdraw their earnings every minute and this is possible because they allow their users to cash out their earnings as soon as they earn $1, which is the best thing about this app. You can withdraw your earnings in your PayPal account through Amazon gift cards or withdraw directly to your bank account using the Wise Transfer or the Skrill. Till today, superpayme has already paid out over $6 million to its users. The only downside of this app is that currently this app is available only in the United States and some other top-tier countries. So the third app on our list is known as Earnably. Earnably is a website app where you can get paid to complete offer surveys, tasks, and watching. They have a dedicated space where you can watch videos and make money watching. Earnably is available worldwide, so you can use it from anywhere in the world and make money online. As you can see, Earnably has over 4 5-star ratings out of 5 given by over 1,300 users, and it is one of the verified companies on Trustpilot. So this is one of the legit apps to make money online. Now the good thing about Earnably is that here you can find many different payment withdrawal methods like PayPal, Amazon gift cards, Apple gift cards, etc. And Earnably will show you only those payment methods that are actually available in your country, so you can withdraw your earnings from it. If you want me to show my withdrawal proof from Earnably, then help me get over 3,000 likes on this video, and I will create a separate video for withdrawal proof. Now the fourth app on our list is called swagbucks. As you can see, this website app has already paid so much money to their users, and they have over 4 2-star ratings out of 5 on Trustpilot, given city over, and swagbucks is also one of the verified company on Trustpilot. So all this shows that it is also the legit website app to make money online watching videos. So as you can see here, you can get paid to answer surveys, get paid to play games, and get paid to discover the latest short videos like TikTok or YouTube Shorts. Swagbucks is also available worldwide, and you can earn money using it from any part of the world. Now the good thing about Swagbucks is that it will provide you many different payment withdrawal methods too, such as you can withdraw PayPal cash from there. And if PayPal is not available in your country, you can withdraw your earnings through different gift cards available on Swagbucks. They also give you a $10 sign-up, so just register yourself on Swagbucks and start making money online. The fifth and the last app on our list is known as the prizerebel. As you can see on prizerebel, you earn points by completing short opinion surveys and some other offers, which also includes watching YouTube videos, which you can find under the offers section. Once you log into your account on this, prizerebel is also available worldwide, and you can earn money from anywhere in the world watching videos on this app. Prizerebel is also since 2007, and they have already paid over $29 million to its users, which shows that this is one of the legit websites to make money online. And the best part about this app is that they offer you over 200 different payment withdrawal offers, so you can withdraw your earnings in any country around the world. They provide you PayPal, cash, Bitcoins, and many different gift cards in exchange for your earnings, which includes Amazon gift cards, Starbucks gift cards, eBay gift cards, Visa gift cards, and so on. And you only need to earn $5 to be able to withdraw your earnings from. So like this video, register yourself on prizerebel and start to make money. That's it for today.
Thanks for watching!